Hi everyone. Hello. How are you all?
I'm fine, dude, rocking the pandemic.
I'm good, but as you know, half yearly is announced, so
I'm rocking, bro. Doing good with these online classes at least.
I'm in quarantine due to corona. I'm COVID positive.
Oh my god, COVID positive? Hey, don't worry, okay? Everything will be fine.
Me and worry. I'm already recovering and now it doesn't worry me much.
Okay guys, now I would like to tell the reason I called for the meeting. Basically, the next few days we have a mega event. Any guesses?
Yeah, tomorrow onwards holiday, right?
hey, no man, that new movie is releasing.
No, my quarantine is ending tomorrow.
Okay, come on. I was talking about the mega event. Let me tell so that it saves time. The event, which is a combo of all festivals, where all are united by a single name, where people of different beliefs follow their own belief more efficiently. People burst crackers, though not Diwali. People eat cakes, though not Christmas. People go for charity, though not Eid. The one and only mega event, Swami's birthday.
Good intro, bro. So what should we do now?
Coming to that, we want to do something for Swami. So it's high time we put our brains at work and brainstorm. Come on, everybody, please suggest some ideas.
Why not some skit and dance?
I'll take it down. Tell some other ideas too, as we cannot act out skit individually from home, right?
Why not instrumental?
That's also okay, but we have a short duration and we need to mix them all.
Okay then. Let more guys suggest some ideas.
The problem is that till someone asks me, I'll be filled with ideas, but the moment I'm asked, my mind is as blank as my answer sheet in exam.
Hey, one second, guys, 1 second. I need to leave the meeting, okay? The doorbell has rung. I'll just come back.
Oh my God, see, man, we're going on and on for such a long time, and yeah, it is very late, and we have to decide it by today, as you guys said. And I'm worried now looking at the condition we are in.
The problem is, the more the ideas are rejected, the more we get discouraged. Come on, man. This is a terrible situation. I feel we need some lead to motivate us and a clear plan to go ahead.
Come on, guys, don't feel so. Every problem has a solution.
Worries. Why should we worry? Worry increases our stress and anxieties. It's like a burden. Carrying this burden does not lessen our problems. If we sit quietly and introspect, we can get so many ideas that change the situation.
Well said, bro. Whoever was that. Okay, let's stop worrying and start thinking.
Hi, guys. I'm back. You know what? I got a free pizza today, okay? The doorbell rang. The pizza boy came. He gave me the pizza, though I insisted that I had not ordered it. So I thought, why not enjoy the pizza? Then as I was chewing the delicious pizza, I got a brainwave. But I need time to explain it properly, guys.
Free
Actually,
pizza.
when I keep getting many streaks. Well, this don't worry guy has really helped. Who was that, bro?
Okay, see, guys, since it's very late now, I suggest we call it a day and relax. Tomorrow, please explain your brainwaves, okay?
Yeah, good idea.
Good idea.
Good
Yeah,
idea, good idea.
okay.
Yeah,
Good idea.
yeah.
Okay, good night. Stay safe. Bye, bro. Sairam.
Bye
Sairam.
bye.
Sairam.
Hi, guys. Hello. Welcome. Happy Ladies' Day to one and all. Oh, I mean, Happy International Men's Day to all.
Yeah, hope all are fit and fine, dude.
Yeah, dude. I'm out of quarantine. I tested COVID negative.
Congrats, bro. Let's rock it today.
So yesterday I heard that some fellows got brainwaves. Could they explain to all of us so that we could finalize on a plan?
Oh yeah, yeah. Okay, guys. So myself, Sudarshan here. So let me tell you all my idea. See, basically, we can depict a story, either a narration or a skit. I feel.
So, what will be the theme?
That is some guy who has not followed the path of ethics suddenly feels that it should be followed, and he gets transformed and from bad to good. Finally, he lives up to Swami's expectations and teachings.
But bro, that was seen by us in the majority of dramas, and so the audience will get so bored. If we act like mimicry, it might hurt some audience.
Okay, why not alter the story to depict the life stories of two individuals, contrasting guys, one who follows Swami's teaching and the other who doesn't?
No, no, no. That will be termed by audience as copy of the previous year 12th class drama.
I feel they are good ideas. We can do them provided everyone agrees. But everyone has some criteria to accept and reject. So, whenever we think of an idea, let the idea be positive in those criteria. So, who else has ideas?
Wait, bro. Actually, your speech was my idea only. I thought we could just make a documentary, a kind of teaser to Swami's birthday based on whatever you said to introduce Swami's birthday. We can use, means you can use illustrations to depict, like making it creative, using animations and stuff.
Hey, yeah, I agree to this thing. Until we get a better idea, maybe.
Means, could you elaborate?
See, I agree with the splendid concept and thinking. But see, if I am an audience watching the thing, I feel that this documentary would act like a teaser and not the highlight. So it is like you go to watch a movie and they show you a teaser and call it a day. Disappointing, right?
Yeah, okay. So this idea is a good interim idea till we get a new and better one. Anybody with more ideas?
Hey, what a sight! I can see a pigeon flying so well. But some guys are stoning the pigeon. Hey, stop it! Sad. By the time I asked him to stop, one guy already threw a stone at the pigeon, and oh, what a close shave! The pigeon executed a sideward flight and saved right in time. And where is it heading now? Yeah, I see it. It has gone to its nest and is now spending some time with the children.
Hey, what do you think you're doing?
Sorry, bro. I was in the terrace and that sight was too good.
But we are here to discuss about Swami's birthday, okay, not pigeons.
Bro, chill, okay? I heard when you're desperately in need of something, nature tries to help you find what you're looking for by giving signs and indications.
Oh, correct, bro. So we'll take all pictures of birds, put it for Swami's birthday. Swami, your love is pure, white like dove. Your mercy is as beautiful as a peacock.
Stop it, man. Why do you want to say things like that in such meetings? He told something by mistake and you're trying to talk rudely. Don't do that. Let him think and you also think. Come on, guys. Pray, think, desperately need to break this down.
Intention is what God sees. God does not see your pomp and grandeur. If you do an act with good intention, they bear fruit. Good intention always bears fruit.
Hey guys, I just figured out something.
Now what? A peacock, huh?
No, see, I told you of the pigeon. The pigeon's intention was to reach its children. So, it ended up being a spectacle of awe and wonder. It had a good intention, so it was appreciated by the spectators. Till now, we have ruled out all the ideas saying audience won't appreciate. But We are not working for their appreciation. We are working to please Swami. In that process, we automatically get praises. So, let us look from the perspective of pleasing Swami. Let the past be past. Think of fresh ideas and pass them through this criteria. And not to forget, whoever played the recording, who are you, bro?
I think he left the meeting. Bro, you did the right thing. Thanks a lot. I think you were the one yesterday too. Anyways, let us start the work again, guys.
Brothers, now that we have good singers, why don't we do a song? We will also do something else with that. Is it okay?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, fine, bro.
Fine.
So with Swami's grace, we have finalized the idea of song. Since it's late now, we'll meet up tomorrow. By that time, hope all get ideas. Thank you. Stay safe. Bye. Stay blessed.
Bye bye.
Bye,
Bye
Bye.
bye. Bye.
Sairam brothers, an important announcement. Today we will conclude the planning sessions. So I would request everyone to pray to Swami to get a solid plan to please him. Also, if possible, please sit in your respective puja rooms or near altars. Hope it's good for all. Firstly, the theme of the song needs to be given a thought. I think we can compose a multilingual song, a praying song to Swami.
Let me tell a thing about that. Okay. Throughout the year, we keep praying, Swami, I want this, I want that. Usually on birthdays, people give not birthdays, birthday gifts to birthday boy. Okay. But of course, we can't give it to Swami because the whole world belongs to him. So just change the theme from asking and praying to love and gratitude.
Awesome
Yeah,
idea, bro.
yeah. I think that's very much implementable.
Okay, guys, then we have successfully completed the planning of the song.
Yeah. So, let's now take a moment of silence and offer our efforts to Swami. And also, remember, we must keep our minds clean to plan the other event. Let's begin.
Swami does not want big things. All he wants and craves from us is a bit of pure love. The world may see the outcome and the end result, but what God sees is the journey. He sees the part taken and the effort behind it. He sees the intention.
Wow. Yeah, I actually think I got an idea now. Like, instead of describing anything else as to this happened to him, that happened to him, why not this time we describe our experience of how we actually planned for this, how we actually our experience of planning for Swami's birthday as
Yes,
an
very amazing idea. Actually, why did you guys suddenly play recordings?
See, even we all were silent for more than long. That Ajay realized that we were waiting for someone to give an idea or verify our idea. Our previous call, some brother played recordings and told us what Swami would want of us in that situation. So he would have felt, why not do the same?
Same here, bro. I never expected that the recording could give an idea. This is exactly how Swami works. He works through us, giving us the right things at the right time.
Talking of that, who was that brother who played recordings in the last session? Why didn't he come now? Anyone has any idea?
No, who was that? Who was it?
Yeah.
Okay, before inquiring further, I would like to say, all the brothers, please put on your videos as we will be taking a selfie to see who all worked in this. Please do so immediately.
तेरे मुस्कान से चेहरों पर रौनक है आई, तेरी एक नजर से दिलों में है खुशियाँ समाई। तू है मेरा सुबह का सपना जो सच हो आए। तू है सूरज की वो किरण जो हर दिन आशा जगाए।
నీదు సన్నిధి మాకు పెన్నిధి, నీదు ప్రేమే మాకు ప్రాణము.
ప్రేమ స్వరూపులారా, ప్రేమ స్వరూపులారా, నేనెప్పుడు మీ వెంటనే జంటనే ఇంటనే ఉంటుంటాను.
భగవాన్ is always with you, in you, around you, above you.
కనుక మీరందరూ కూడా ఐకమత్యంతో పనిచేయండి.
Work with the feeling of unity.
నా సీటు ఇక్కడ కాదు,
Bhagwan's seat is not here.
నా సీటు మీ యొక్క హృదయమే.
Bhagwan's chair is your heart.
కనుకనే మీరు ఎక్కడ ఉంటే అక్కడ కూడా స్వామి ఉంటున్నాడు.
Swami is there wherever you are.
ఏ కొరతలు మీకు జరగవు,
Nothing will happen to you.
ఏ విధమైనటువంటి అపజయాలు మీకు జరగవు.
You will never have failure.
కానీ పరిపూర్ణమైన విశ్వాసంతో మీరు పనులు ప్రారంభించండి.
But work with the total faith.
ఏ పని చేసినా కూడా ఇది భగవత్ కార్యంగా భావించండి.
Whatever you may do, good work, take it as God's work.
తల్లి నీవే తండ్రి నీవే దాతవు మా భ్రాత నీవే, దాతవు మా భ్రాత నీవే. సాయి దేవా సర్వం నీవే.
You are like the sun entering the temple of my heart. I am yours, you are love, and we are your embodiments. He is love, He is everything, everywhere, every time and everyone. And we want to say that we love you a lot.